Let us now see what we are going to learn inside this use reducer. Step by step, we are going to understand each and everything. Apart from this, we are going to learn different concepts. We are going to understand what is use reducer, why should we use reducer. We are going to compare use state and use reducer. We are going to compare this use reducer with array reduce method, and we will see what are the similarities, and also we are going to see different analogies to understand the concept, and finally we are going to work on 8 simple and moderate level project. Once we understand all this, then we are going to build one final project to master this use reducer. And this 9 project will really help you to understand the structure of use reducer, and also we are going to see how to handle complex state transitions. So first we are going to build simple counter using this use state hook, and after that we are going to convert this counter using use reducer. Then we are going to see different and main important concept to understand the structure of use reducer. Okay, these are the projects which we are going to build. Then fourth one, we are going to create to-do list project using which we are going to add the item, we are going to complete the task, and also we are going to delete the task. Then fifth one, we are going to see how to fetch data using useState, and after that how to convert this project using this useReducer hook. Then we are going to see how to display using state, and then again we are going to convert this project and we are going to use the concept of useReducer. After learning or after doing all these 8 projects and understanding structure of useReducer, and also in our to-do list project, we are going to see how to handle complex state updates. And after all this, we are going to build one final project using which you will completely master use reducer hook, and you will never forget what is use reducer hook, and also you can easily implement in your own projects. So for this entire playlist, I have decided each and every day I will be uploading 3 videos, and these are the timings. Why? Because once we finish this complete use reducer, then finally we can get started with our main topic, that is Redux Toolkit. Just stay tuned, be patient, because learning something or mastering something always takes time. Just be patient, understand each and every concept, do not rush yourself. If you really want to master Redux Toolkit, this is the roadmap you have to follow, because this is the roadmap I have followed, and now I can build any application using Redux. So you should always have the same mindset. If you start with scratch, only then you will be able to master the advanced concept. But directly if you want to jump to advanced, then your foundation is very weak and you will not be able to run in the long race. Only thing I can tell you is be patient and step by step learn each and every concept.